Hi, Jerry Pacello. Welcome to MarineMax Lindenhurst. We're on board a brand new 27 Vantage from Boston Whaler. It has twin 250 V8s from Mercury. I'll step on board. This boat is equipped with a grill, a sliding countertop, refrigerator, an aft fold-away seat, extra rod holders on this boat because it is equipped with the fishing package. The fishing package also gives you tow rails as well as a live well under the seat. This backrest converts in different spots to be a leaning post, a full lounge, as well as making this a lounger as well. On the starboard side, we have a single helm seat for the captain, dual controls for the engines, trim tabs, a place for larger electronics. This boat has the stereo and VHF radio. The head is located on the port side. Moving forward, we have a spot for a garbage pail. It's actually a 5-gallon drum pail. More storage. Storage there is also for our table and our filler cushion to make the bow a sun lounge area. All the way forward on the boat, a freshwater washdown. And this boat is equipped with a windlass. Come down to MarineMax Lindenhurst and check it out.